Okay, so I would probably say start off with like a skeleton sketch. Okay, and by that what I mean is that you start off with just a very simple line drawing. So my chair is going to have 4 legs. Okay, it's going to have a base to sit on, and then it's going to have a back. Okay, now that might be a bit difficult to see, but I'll just go in a bit further. Can you see that? It looks very much like a stick drawing. So what I'm going to do then is I'm going to start making it look like an actual chair. So I said that my design was going to have a lot more curves in it, so I'm then going to start putting in some features that represent the shape that I want it to be. Okay, and this was going to be a bit more sort of curved in, so I'm just going to follow that shape there. Like so. So I've started to make this into a bit more of a 3D shape. Now my legs, I'm going to keep them fairly simple. Just have a bit of a flare at the bottom because I want them to have a bit of curvature that follows that shape there. So just making them a bit thicker. Okay, and you can see sort of how I've gone about doing this now. Obviously that leg's a bit way over there, so I'm just going to sort of adjust the shape so it's here. Okay, that's me doing a very quick sketch of a chair which I can sit into. Okay, now if I was going to do, that's my 3D view by the way. Now the next one I'm going to do with that is I'm going to do a side view. So the chair is going to look like that. And so forth. So what I've done is I've taken this view and I've literally just turned it to its side, so that's what it's going to look like. I could then also do, my third view is the front of it, so it's going to look something like this. With that part being that bit there, and then again the legs just flaring out at the bottom. Okay, so I've got my first initial sketch done. Now that's idea 1. Okay, I've obviously done that quite quickly. You're going to probably want to take a bit more